In 2021, when I started learning mathematics, I thought I should grasp every concept as quickly as possible, every theorem, formula, and mathematical technique. Now, guess what? It's been 3 years, and I didn't learn any of these things. So, to avoid my mistake, I'll give you 3 tips to learn mathematics the correct way. 1. Don't try to learn everything. First of all, you can't master every mathematical concept, not to mention various branches like algebra, calculus, or geometry. What you need is to build a solid understanding of the fundamentals and continually enhance your skills through practice, problem solving, and staying updated with new mathematical discoveries and applications. As a mathematician, embracing lifelong learning is a crucial mindset to have. 2. Exercise patience. Learning new mathematical concepts requires patience and persistence. Avoid overwhelming yourself by trying to tackle multiple topics simultaneously, as this can lead to confusion and frustration. Instead, focus on one area of mathematics at a time, delve deeply into it, practice rigorously, and be patient with your progress. Just like mastering any skill, becoming proficient in mathematics takes time and dedication. 3. Find joy in mathematical exploration. Mathematics is not just a set of rules and equations, it's a fascinating journey of discovery and problem solving. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and wonder as you explore mathematical concepts and their applications. Embrace the challenges and complexities of mathematics with enthusiasm, as each solution brings you closer to unlocking new insights and understanding. By enjoying the process of mathematical exploration, you'll find motivation and fulfillment in your mathematical studies. Remember, mathematics is a vast and multifaceted discipline, offering endless opportunities for learning and growth. Approach your studies with dedication, patience, and a sense of wonder, and you'll discover the beauty and richness of mathematics.